No! Fuck you, science. Oh, wait. Fuck this. Yes. Okay. No, fuck you, science. I hate you so much for this.
Don't you like my levels?
No. What do you mean your level? I'm the one making this.
Who gave you the ideas?
Fuck you. Shit.
You just need one more.
Pause it.
10 minutes later.
Oh shit. You wish it was 10 minutes. I made it. Fuck you, science. Oh shit. No, fuck you, science. Oh shit. No. Oh hey. Damn you. Oh shit. No. D. I made it.
Your death is in sync with the beats.
Shut up.
How come you always miss that one?
I don't know, damn it. Yeah.
Those things remind me of you. They look just like you. They're like mini.
Fuck
Like mini yous.
Fuck you, I'm the mouse, damn it.
And those are your little mouselets.
You wish. Wait, there's no such thing as a fucking mouselet. What is a Mickey Mouse called, anyways? I should know this.
Minnie Mouse?
No, I'm the... No, fuck you.
You're Minnie Mouse? You're Minnie?
Fuck you.
Oh,
We should have tested, like, whatever this level already.
we should have, but I think it's impossible. So I already know my answer. You're not gonna beat this.
Nah, shit. Fuck you, science.
Do you realize you're never gonna beat this?
I swore, could have sworn I hit the other one.
Nice, an infinite loop of deaths.
Nah.
You just might have made the best like part of this map ever, Joel.
I'm hitting multiple.
And his progress is not
Damn
yet.
it. Ah!
And now you're back where you started from.
Fuck you, science.
How's his progress?
Good question. Wait. What? Nah, damn it. No.
Now you're further away from where you started.
Shut up. At least I'm making it somewhere.
And where's that?
Somewhere. God damn it. Okay, pause for effect. Hey. Oh shit.
Still no progress.
Shut up. I made it close to it. More or less.
More like less.
Shut up. You're supposed to be my friend. You're supposed to be supporting me.
I've supported you in my own kind of way.
Well then, fuck your way.
Your way seems to be getting you really, really, angry.
Huh?
Are you okay?
Maybe. God damn it. I'm not sure how to feel about this anymore. Yes! 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 Fuck! I forgot about that part. Yes! 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 I can make it!
Get ready for it?
Damn it! That's so many levels.
And there he goes again.
And you, science! Oh hey, it worked. We might have to cheat on this one.
Great, you just said that on camera.
I know I said it on fucking camera. My plan is seriously flawed here.
And I feel like I'm gonna just watch. Amazement.
Aha!
How many times have you said haha?
I don't know, man. Don't judge me. I'm your friend.
As a friend, I will give you my friendly advice. Quit.
No, fuck you.
Because you can't get any lower than this.
Science had to chill on this.
That's not cheating. There's no spawner out there.
It's right there. It's right fucking there.
There's nothing there. Just don't look.
It's still the same level, guys.
If you cover your eyes,
fuck
it's
you,
okay.
Fuck you. Fuck you, I say. Oh shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, good sir. Rise, bitch. Oh hey.
That was my idea.
Yes, you and your fucking joint.
It's a shitty joint.
Yes. Now you realize you.
I should have made those out of red blocks so you would die.
Fuck you.
Choose a path.
Can I climb one of these? Yep. Shit, I headed this part. Doop.
It looks like a mountain.
Doop. Doop.
They just keep dying.
Or...
Just keep
Nah.
just,
Wee.
wow. You sure you are showing this next part? Wait, what?
Wait.
What? What just happened?
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's the spot. Oh yeah, you can't remember. You can't just roll to the next one.
I don't feel like being banned from YouTube. Pause for the next part. Okay, we
And
passed that
we
one.
back.
Like uncensored parts. And here's our Pikachu with abs and like.
I call it the yellow owl.
Know what? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
And that's about it.
Later, folks.